guys, just arrived at one of the spots and it's about 20 meter. Okay, go for it. Oh, that was a good bite. I wonder if those are Kahawais or so. I think that he could have made him some good money in the harbour. That was that bad. Sweet, another fish. We're hoping still for Gurnet. The last one that I pulled up, we lost. So he does some nice round swings, so I really hope it's a Gurnet.
Is it a snapper?
It's a snapper.
Nice.
Snapper, just off the harbour of Napier. Do you want him?
If it's legal, yeah.
That's true.
Sweet. Some for the freezer. Oh, well and truly.
Ja, så det ser vi for. Yeah, again, when I'm at Soul Adventures and 747 go fishing, it's usually big catches, heaps of fish.
Must be slowly tiring out.
I like the bite, it was different to the Kahawai, and so it was pretty massive.
Oh, look at that. See that colour? Snap.
Oh, nice snapper. Very
nice.
beautiful snapper. Beauty. Just lift him in and that on light gear, so that's really good fun. So we have a nice mix.
Snapper.
Woo!
Yeah.
Get him on the boat.
Yeah.
Nice. Excellent.
Wow.
Well done. Oh yeah, that's a 4 or 5 kg one. Oh, but the Barracuda, good sport fish. So I just caught that Wrasse and it got totally nuked from a Barracuda. We had a big bite out of it. Rope is on. The weather starts to be better and better. We had quite a strong wind. And another strike. We are on and on and on. What we got here? Nice Kahawai.
Yep, Kahawai.
Do you want Kahawai with?
Yeah, I have
For
one.
food? Sweet, and that on light gear, so
Yeah.
Rob was catching
Nice.
trout with that rod. Now he catches Kahawais. He got another fish on. It took a while.
Yep. Took a while now to start up.
And
Oh,
that's-
got off.
he got off. Oh well.
Awesome, that was first cast out.
Excellent.
This rod is going on for.
I think it's still on. On that.
Popped off. I'll check the bait anyway.
Oh well.
You reckon?
Big snapper. I can feel the head shakes.
Nice.
Mother of all blue cords.
JB's on again.
Well, the runs are not long enough for Kingy, but some serious head shakes.
Fuck yeah, looks decent.
Yeah.
Decent scrap.
What a beautiful day.
Oh, nice. Could be. Is your battery flat?
Is she?
Yeah.
No way. Oh well, you got yours?
Yeah. Yeah, I got a raw.
My spear.
Oh, that's it there, eh?
Yeah. But, oh well. That's when you're unprepared.
Oh, could be a king, you reckon?
Oh, it's a big snapper. Could be too.
Far.
Still, the runs are not that long.
Jeez.
Oh, he's tangled around somebody's line. Or he's hitting the bottom.
Oh.
Ah. Stop your swearing, Ian. Easy workout.
No jump tonight, eh? 2 in 1, fishing and gym.
I got him definitely off the bottom. That feels already better because he went a few times. Oh, Kingy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
What is it?
Big shark.
Oh, it's a big one, alright. Wow. Wow, he's big, eh? Is it a bronze?
Oh, he's also tail wrapped now. Nah, that's a school shark. You know the little ones that we were normally catching? That's like one of the big school sharks. Alright. Good fight. There we know.
And he's huge.
There we know. Our socks love sharks. Gloves. Make a picture.
It's a big unit.
Big school shark.
Beauty.
Good. You got some serious toes.
Yeah. Oh, you got.
Bloody team of players.
And he wasn't going nowhere. What else do we have?
No, all good.
Oh, you got it? Cool.
Sweet. And catch and release.
Off.
Oh well.
It's a good scrap.
Yeah. Hasn't damaged.
JB's on the gate.
Already had 2 snapper, so it seems decent.
And take a guess what we could have.
Oh, I would have said that's a snapper.
Yep.
Some good, nice head shakes. But Hawke's Bay, you never know.
Yeah.
About 20 different species it could be. A lot of Kahawais around, so you never know.
And we have...
Oh, it's a big blue
Whoa,
cod.
ho.
The biggest blue cod I've ever caught.
Yee-hee.
Oh Lord.
Wow.
Oh yes. Oh, I know what I'm
Oh,
having
check
for
this
dinner.
out, this beast.
Oh my gosh. Oh, for Hawke's Bay, that's the biggest I've
Woohoo.
ever seen in Hawke's Bay.
Let's go.
Oh yes.
Let's go.
Oh, dream fish. Absolutely
Oh,
dream.
that's a beast.
That's the biggest blue cod I've ever
Do you have
seen.
any scales? Oh,
Yeah,
look
I
at
have.
that. Check that out.
Oh wow. That made my day.
Yeah.
Oh, I love blue cod. Look
Man, I don't
at-
think I've seen one that big. Look at
Oh,
that. Look at that mouth.
Beast.
And what did we
Oh.
catch that on?
On a piece of mackerel.
Piece
An
of
old
mackerel.
Piece of mackerel.
Good old mackerel does it. Look at the head on that thing. Just check it out.
Oh my gosh.
Yee!
What is?
Awesome, JB.
Oh, what is he? Is oh,
Mate, look at that. It's a donkey.
At the comb. Oh, he's off the hook.
Oh, look at it.
Wicked.
Look at the head.
Incredible.
Like, look at the head on it.
Oh my gosh. That feeds two people. Just that one thing. Oh yeah.
Let's weigh that up. Oh, let's. Gonna get it on. Oh, yep. It's got the scales.
Oh, I mean, it's not a.
That'll do.
Oh, language. I would think close to 1.5, 2 kilo.
Wow. That's one beast of a blue cod.
Yeah. Stop. Oh, he's about 2 kilo.
Oh, nice. And
Yeah.
2 kg mark. I just put this in the water.
Oh, that's the mother of that blue cod.
Yes, we hope so.
Or what would be cool would be a baby puka on that thing. We're missing a hapuka yet,
Yeah.
and granddaddy hapuka. Beautiful day at Hawke's Bay.
Wow,
It's
loving it.
autumn day, so it was quite cold this morning. I slept in what is really unusual for a fishing trip. Normally awake an hour before we start, but I had a hard time coming out of bed this morning. But it's all worth it because we've been catching really good fish. Oh no, it's Kahawai. It looked like a blue cod.
Yeah,
I
I
know
thought it
what you
was.
thought.
Its colouring looks
Yeah,
white too.
good sport fish. Nice Kahawais. Woo. What you shouldn't do.
What is it?
Sent me some extra money. The bite was spectacular. But
Yeah. Fuck, I didn't get. Did you get it on yours?
oh yeah, I think so.
Nice.
I'm not sure about the angle. Kahawai very likely. Away it goes off.
Oh, I see that. Good fun on the light gear.
Oh yeah. Sporty fish.
Yes.
Bite with the rod, because that should never The line
Oh,
should
yeah.
never go over the blank, but there were that money.
Whoa.
Yeah, I just said it. You have it on video?
Yep.
That's cool. That's why you're not buying a rod from Temu. Go to Crafties. Don't go to fucking
Wow.
Don't
That
go
was
to
on the Kahawai.
Yeah, don't go to
Oh,
my rod. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't buy shit on Temu. Still maybe did. Yeah. Sent me some extra money.
yeah.
The bite was spectacular. But
Yeah. Bugger didn't get.
yeah.
Did you get it on yours?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Nice.
I'm not sure about the Kahawai very likely.
Ah, see that? Good fun on the lake, yeah?
Oh yeah. Very sporty fish.
Yes.
Something's not right with the rod because it should never. The
Oh,
line should
yeah.
never go over the blank, but there were that money.
Whoa.
Yeah, I just said it. You have it on video?
Yep.
That's cool. That's why you're not buying a rod from Temu. Go to Crafties. Don't go to fucking
Wow.
Don't
That
go
was
to
on the Kahawai.
Yeah, don't go to
Oh, my rod.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't buy shit on Temu.
Oh, it felt good, but then. Kahawai.
The only sad thing about that rod is that, yeah, my daughter used it a lot at the harbour, but it's different between a mullet and a full bore Kahawai.
Yeah. Oh. Cool.
Sweet. Hook,
What's
I
that
mean,
done?
you can let down. I'm just gonna retie most of the stuff,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna lift the anchor up and maybe just go for a drift first.
Yep.
Yeah, that. Yeah, that's it for today. Oh, Jesus. That's it for today. Beautiful day. Again, collaboration between the two channels. Works out every time. Heaps of fish today. Happy people. Let's go home.